Everything you touch on this bike is a disaster. There's not one item on this bike that is actually in good condition. That's the third battery I bought for this project. Amazing. Okay, this is the rear brake light switch. I think it's no good. It's okay, but it's not working. Like almost everything else on this bike. Okay, I'll test it. It seems like it's working better. Okay. Everything you touch on this bike is a disaster. There's not one item on this bike that is actually in good condition. That's good. Both of these are completely stuck. I'll soak it and let it rest for a while. Now it's working. That's good. The horn is also working. It's a little bit rough. I think I'm just gonna clean it and fit it, but it's working fine. I have managed, of course, to crack this light here. I don't think I will find only the glass. I think I will have to replace the whole direction light. That's a bummer. It belongs in a museum, but it works fine, so I'm just gonna keep it. That's great. Okay. have the wrong, that's why it's not working. You should have only one center here and earth, ground to the ground here. Okay, so I have checked all the electrical, all the lights, so now I think everything is working, except the neutral light is not working. I think I have to continue troubleshooting for that issue. So I connected the neutral switch to the oil pressure lamp, and when I now take it out of neutral, yeah, so I just suspect that the lamp for the neutral is broken inside here. So, but that's great. Everything actually works. Okay, so I have removed the whole instrument cluster. Disconnected, marked and disconnected all the cables. They are not perfect. Some moisture has come inside here, and I have to check all these connectors, see if they are okay. To remove it, you can loosen these three bolts here. That fits into this bracket here. Then you can remove the whole thing. Then you can remove, I have already removed it, but I just want to show there are 3 small screws here, here and here. Then you can remove the back plate. Then there are 6 bolts here. And you can take off, you have to disconnect the cables first, of course, and then you can take off this plate here. And then there are 3 bolts here. 1, 2, 3, and then you can take out the lamp assembly like this. Then you have the lamps in here. You can just pull them out, check them. Bit fiddly job, but I can actually check there are possibility to measure on each side here to check if the lamp is okay, but I took it out. Maybe I can change to LED lamps or something, I don't know. I think it's important not to touch these bolts, because then you will screw with speedometer and tachometer. I can't see any cracks on the cableways on the foil here. It seems to be okay, so I think it's just the light bulbs that has broken. I just quickly hooked up a battery just to verify my measurements. Okay, I've been messing around a little bit with this lamp cluster, and I can see that there has been some moisture for the neutral switch light, so I replaced the socket. I exchanged the socket with the oil reservoir level, because on the R75 there are no oil reservoirs. So now I have neutral charging and oil pressure. The one I'm struggling a little bit is this direction light. See that there has been some moisture inside here too, so I'm not sure about that. Moisture has come inside here, and very difficult to get contact between the lamp and the connectors. Okay. Now we got the direction light indication too. That's great. Okay, I need a couple of new lamps for this. And I have the neutral, I have the oil pressure and the charging and the direction light, so that's good. I think these two are broken, so I need to replace those. And I have to fit everything back on the bike and sort out these connectors. And cable penetrations on the lamp, that's always just a big mess, everything. So that will be a job to figure out. Other than that, everything is good. All the electrical stuff is working actually, so I'm happy with that. World-class suspension. I wonder if they will fit.